We all know that ChatGPT can solve problems, generate content for you, and even help you code. But do you know that you can also use ChatGPT to make an app and publish it in Play Store? In this video, I will show you step-by-step process on how you can create an app using ChatGPT. Usually, when you create an app, you need to have a good knowledge of coding and app development. But in this video, I'm going to use ChatGPT to generate the code and create a basic app. We are going to make a small game app like Tic Tac Toe. Let's go to ChatGPT and ask it to give us an HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code for a 2-player Tic Tac Toe game. You can see we have got the code now. Let's check if the code is working correctly. Let's use a tool called CodePen. I will leave the link in the description video below. So let's go back to ChatGPT. Copy the HTML code and paste it here. Then do the same for CSS and JavaScript code. Once you have pasted the code, if we move this up, you can see we have a preview of our game. Let's test it out. As you can see, the game is working completely fine, but there are few things that can do to make it better. So let's improve on how it looks. Let's change the background color, add a pop-up to reveal who the winner is, and also add a button to restart the game. Now, if you want to add anything additional to your game and make changes, you can ask ChatGPT to get the code and replace them. Now that you have got the code from ChatGPT and tested it, we can now go to next step, which is to save our code to the PC. First, we need to copy all this code in Notepad.
To save this one, let's open a notepad, copy this HTML code and paste it here. To save this file, you need to name it and name it as index.html and save it.
Let's open a new file, copy this CSS code and paste it here. Then save this file as style.css. Let's open a new file, copy the JavaScript code and paste it here. Then save it as script.js. Once you are done, we can run the game locally.
Now we go to the folder we created. If you open the Internet browser, you can see the game is running perfectly on our web browser.
Now we just need to save the code to our computer, and you can see the app is working fine. As I told you earlier, I will show you a way to convert this app into a mobile app that you can install on your mobile device. To convert this app to a mobile app, first we need to upload the app online. We are going to use a tool called Tiny.host. Give a name for your app. I'm going to enter Tic Tac Toe app. Next, we need to upload our app to a zip file. Let's compress this file which we have saved on our computer. Okay, click on Google, then log into your Google account and your app is now live. Now we have successfully hosted our app online. Once it is done, we can now go to the final step, which is to convert the web app into a mobile app. We are going to use a tool called WebIntoApp. Click on Get Started and enter the URL of our app.
To get that, let's go back to our app, copy the URL and go back and paste it here.
Enter a name of our app and click Next. Add an icon for our app. Once you have added the app icon, click on Make App. Enter the details of the app. Click on Register and again click on Make App. We have converted our web app into a mobile app. Now we can go ahead and download our app. Let's download the app Tic Tac Toe app into our mobile device. To do that, we need to extract the zip file on our computer. Open the file, right click on it and click on Extract All. Now, if we open that folder, then open the Android folder, you can see we have the APK file here. Once you have got the APK file, we can go ahead and install the app on our mobile phone. Let's open a new tab, then click here and go to Google Drive. Drag and drop the APK file here and it will be uploaded to the drive. Once it is uploaded, let's download and install the APK file on our phone. Go to Google Drive, open the APK file, click Install and click Open. As you can see, our app has been installed on our phone. In this same way, you can make any app in just a few minutes. That's a wrap on this video, guys. Now you know how to create an app using ChatGPT. For all the necessary links are in the description video below. For more advanced tutorials, check out our other videos. Show your support by liking, commenting and subscribing to this channel. Hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching. I am KingSomy. Catch you in the next video. Take care and peace.